Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Go ahead.
Hey guys, this is John at JeepsterMan. Today we're covering some of the parts that we exclusively make. This here is the escutcheon, the spring-loaded escutcheon that we make. This fits the vehicles 1946 to 1964. This fits the Willys station wagon, the pickup truck, and fits the Willys Jeepster. Depending on your vehicle, you might need 2 or 4 of these. They're sold individually. This is part number 664022. You can find this on our website, thejeepsterman.com, or you can call us if you got questions about this. It's 314-798-6462. Or you can also find this in our catalog. We do have a new catalog out that you can also find this on page 178.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.